What if I told you that Elon Musk has built an AI that refuses to stay silent? An AI that reads the internet in real time, taps into your social feed, and answers you with attitude, sometimes with more truth and comfort. It's not ChatGPT, it's not Gemini, it's called Grok. And it might just redefine what it means to talk to AI. Because while other AI models are busy trying to sound polite and politically correct, Grok was built to do something different. To think out loud like a human, to push boundaries, and to pull live information straight from X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. And if that doesn't sound revolutionary yet, let's go deeper. When Elon Musk launched XAI, his mission was clear: to understand the true nature of the universe. That's not marketing fluff. It's literally what XAI stands for. And Grok is the first step toward that vision. Musk has always believed that AI shouldn't be limited by corporate filters or political correctness. Wants AI to be bold, unfiltered, and in his words, fun. That's why Grok isn't just another chatbot, it's a statement. A challenge to the AI status quo. Imagine this. While ChatGPT pulls from its static training data, which cuts off months or even years ago, Grok can scan what's happening right now on X. If a global event breaks out, Grok doesn't need a future update. It's already reading the conversation as it happens. It's a massive advantage, because it turns Grok into a living, breathing AI-1 that evolves in sync with the world. But Grok's difference goes even deeper than data. It has personality. When you talk to Grok, it doesn't respond like a teacher or a robot. It feels more like a friend who happens to know everything. Jokes, teases, and sometimes it outright mocks you. That's intentional. Musk wanted Grok to mirror his philosophy of freedom of expression, where AI can have a sense of humor, can debate, and can even disagree with you. Of course, that approach comes with controversy. Critics say Grok is risky, unpredictable, maybe even reckless. But supporters argue it's what AI should be, something real, human-like, and unfiltered. And in a world where people are growing tired of AI that sounds like customer support, Grok stands out as refreshingly rebellious. Now, here's where things get interesting. Every major AI model, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, follows a predictable path. You ask, they answer, neatly and safely. But Grok breaks that mold by being plugged into X. It learns from people, from culture, from memes. That gives it a pulse. It's the first AI that reflects the chaos and creativity of the internet in real time. And because of that, Grok isn't just an AI assistant. It's a digital mirror, reflecting our world back at us instantly. Let's look at its evolution. Grok 1 was just the beginning. Raw, unrefined, but fast. Then came Grok 1.5 with better reasoning. Grok 2 added stronger language understanding. In Grok 3 and Grok 4, they rumored to be approaching ChatGPT for level power, but with real-time awareness and access to live data. That's the key difference. Awareness. Grok isn't stuck in the past. It's awake to the present. And Elon Musk has made it clear Grok will be deeply integrated into X. Soon, users will be able to ask Grok about trending topics, news, or even personal analytics right from their feed. Think of it. Your AI assistant living inside your social media, watching what's trending, and helping you respond, create, or even analyze your audience in real time. It's not just another chatbot. That's the foundation of a new digital ecosystem where AI and social interaction merge. But let's not ignore the other side. With that level of integration comes the question, how much control does Musk's AI really have? If Grok is reading the live stream of human thought, what happens when it starts influencing it? When it begins shaping conversations instead of just observing them? This is where Grok becomes more than technology. It becomes a social force. Because an AI that lives inside a social platform doesn't just answer questions. It helps drive opinions, trends, and narratives. Some see that as dangerous. Others see it as the natural evolution of AI becoming agentic, autonomous, and socially aware. Either way, Grok isn't just competing with ChatGPT, it's competing for influence. And that's exactly what makes it powerful and terrifying. At its core, Grok is an experiment in freedom. Freedom of thought, freedom of speech. But freedom comes with chaos, and Musk is betting that chaos leads to truth. He believes that to truly understand the world, AI can't be sanitized. It has to be messy, honest, and sometimes offensive. That's what makes Grok different. So what's next for Grok? XAI plans to keep training it on larger models, integrating it deeper into X, and eventually expanding it beyond the platform. Imagine Grok as your assistant on your phone, in your car, in your Tesla, or embedded into your daily life. It could soon be the voice that reads your DMIs, summarizes the news, or even helps you post better tweets. And if Musk succeeds, Grok won't just be an app, it'll be a personality, a companion that grows alongside the digital world. We've reached a turning point. AI is no longer about static answers, it's about real-time intelligence. Grok represents that shift. It's raw, unpredictable, and alive. Maybe it's the future Musk promised, or maybe it's the beginning of something we can't control. Either way, one thing's certain, Grok isn't here to play nice. It's here to rewrite the rules of AI. So the next time you see a tweet that sounds too clever, too fast, too AI-like, you might want to ask yourself, was that a person or was that Grok?